Chato.
It's Jay. This is Ira Walker again. I want to come and share another song with y'all this week. I was going through some of my recordings and came across this song and thought it was a pretty good one. It's led by the former pastor of Rock Spring Baptist Church there in Sasakwa, Oklahoma. His name is Jimsey Harjo. He passed away this past summer, and he was just a real good guy. Real good person. Always encouraging me every time I seen him. And I just wanted to share this song with y'all today, and it's called Herkvn Epoyvyofv. Hopefully I said that right. But it's talking about I have won my peace, and talk about how I've gone on and never going to come back here to this world. And that's the way it is. For those that believe the Bible, it tells us that they can't come back to us, but that we can go to them. And that's how it is with Brother Jimsey, and just look forward to seeing him again one day. But I just wanted to share this song with y'all. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you got any questions or comments, just leave them down there in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer them. But just again, I want to say Mado for watching the video. Hope you enjoy it.
Yeah.